All right, here's another problem that you might come across. So a cone has a height of 8 meters and a volume of 300 meters cubed. Now determine the radius of the cone's base to the nearest meter. So we sketch that out like that. We're given our height here at 8 meters. And we're given a volume of 300 meters cubed. So we don't know the base area, and we need to establish what that radius is from the base area. So let's plug in what we have and see what we need to solve for. So we have volume, so we have 300, which is equal to 1/3, just a constant, and our base area. And our base area for a circle, pi r squared. And then we need to multiply that times our height. Our height is 8. So type that on like so. Alright, so now we need to rearrange all of this to solve for this radius. Alright, so let's start by dividing out our 8. Divided by 8, divided by 8. Start with this. So we'll go 300 divided by 8 is 37.5. So 37.5 is equal to 1/3 pi r squared. Now we need to get rid of this 1/3, so we got to multiply this whole thing times 3. Means we multiply this side by 3. The 3's cancel, leaving us with pi r squared. 3 times 37.5, so just take our answer and hit times 3, giving us 112.5. 112.5 is now equal to pi r squared. Now if you remember, pi is just a number, so we can just divide that out too. Go 112.5 divided by pi. Pi cancels, leaving us with our radius squared. So now we've got, and I'm just going to leave this as it is like this. And we have 112.5 divided by pi is equal to the radius squared. So we take the square root of both sides. We end up with 112.5 divided by pi. But the square root of that whole thing is equal to our radius. And that, I can just punch into a calculator and get an answer. So let's take a look and say square root 112.5 divided by pi. And that is going to be 5.98, but it says to the nearest meter, we'll round that up to 6 meters. Now this is just in meters because all we're looking for is the radius, which is our distance. So 6 meters is our good answer for that.